Hello everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. So today we're coming back at you with another fun project to do at home. We're going to make an air freshener. So today what you're going to need is a glass, a jar like this from a pudding or yogurt container. It needs to be a glass, not plastic, because we're going to put hot water on it. Speaking of hot water, this is hot water, and then you need another gelatin or any kind of flavor or pudding gelatin if you have it at home, and then food coloring, any kind of food coloring of your choice, and then we need salt, regular one, and then essential oil. I chose orange oil, but if you have watermelon, if you have peppermint, whatever essential oil you prefer, you can use that. And then if you have something like this, like a dry flour at home or like plastic flour, you can use it, or you can pick it up around your garden. Okay, let's get started. And then you put it on the glass bowl or container, whatever you have at home. And then you pour a hot boiling water into the container. That's why I said we need a glass one instead of the plastic one, and then you pour it until it's almost full, but do not overflow it. Okay, so I just want to make sure, like this kind of, it needs to be a hot boiling water, otherwise the gelatin will not dissolve on the hot water. And then you keep stirring it until you don't see any more gelatin on it. Okay, like so. See, the water is kind of crystal clear and there is no more gelatin. Okay, stir it until it's clear. And then next, what you want to do is you want to add your favorite food coloring. I chose the orange one because I'm going to use an orange oil. That's why I'm going to choose the orange food coloring. But you can put any kind of color you like. See, I say 2 drops or 3 drops is the most. Alright, and then what you want to do is give it another stir. See how cool it is. It's turned orange already. Okay? Alright, that's the second step. The next step is you're going to add an essential oil. It smells so good, especially orange. So you put another 2 drops or 3 drops. Okay, I put 3. So, and then you can smell it if you want. So it should look like this. Ooh, it smells so good already. And then the last step is you're going to put a 1 teaspoon of salt. I chose the Morton salt in here. You might wonder why we have to put salt on it, because we want to preserve it so it doesn't grow a fungi or an algae on it. So it will stay 2 or 3 weeks and then you can dispose it. Okay? Alright, once you're done, you put it on the fridge for overnight, and then after that you can take it out. Oh yeah, the last one thing is you want to put, probably if you like, a dry flour like I do, but if you don't like it, you don't have to put it. Okay? Okay everybody, so this is what happened after I put it on the fridge overnight. You have to let it cool first before you put it on the fridge, and then it will get hardened like so, and then it will smell so good. If you want to add the flowers, or if you have any kind of plastic flowers, you can do it. If you don't want to do it, that's fine. But yeah, smells really good, and then if you put it in your room or in the bathroom, it will make a difference. But then after 2 or 3 weeks, you probably have to discard it because it won't stay longer than 3 weeks. If you make one, please let us know in the comment below, and subscribe and comment on our Instagram at RPL Youth Service. Until next time, thank you for watching.